Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Linda here. I'm back again with another exciting recipe. So today we are going to be making a Matoke beef stew, and yeah, here are our ingredients. So the star of the show is the Matoke, followed by our already pre-boiled beef, and then tomato puree. I've blended my tomatoes, and then here onions, ginger, garlic paste, coriander or dania as we call it in Kenya, and then we have our cooking oil, we have Gharam masala, Royco cube as well, and then this is mixed spice from Royco, and it's the best I've used so far. And then not forgetting salt. So now I'm starting with the cooking oil. I'll let it heat up a bit, and then put in my onions first. So let's wait for the cooking oil to heat up a bit. Let's wait for our onion to caramelize, and then bring in our garlic ginger paste. Now that our onion have caramelized, we are going to bring in the garlic ginger paste. At this point now, I'll use my spices. So this is mixed spices from Royco. I love it because it just brings a good flavor to your stew. And then we have Royco cube. I love it when my spices cook a bit because I don't like the taste of raw spices. Hence the reason why I do this. Let them cook for like 2 minutes. Okay, not 2 minutes. That's a lot of time. Maybe like a minute or so. Ensure that it gets all the flavors from the spices I've used. before adding in the tomato puree. Salt. You don't want to use a lot of salt because already the spices you've used, they also have salt, so you don't want our stew to be too salty. At this point now, I bring in my blended tomatoes. There we go. There we go. Taste my salt. I'll need to add more. That's good. And now we bring in our matoke. It's a bit. And then now I have some beef broth over here. So this is what I'm going to add. I'm not going to use water. I'm going to use the beef broth. I'll cover this, and then after 10 to 15 minutes my food will be ready. So after 15 minutes our matoke beef stew is ready. As you can see, I love my soup thick. So now we'll switch off our gas and then garnish with our coriander like so, and our stew is ready to be served. So you can either have this with rice. Yeah, you can have it with rice. You can have it with chapati. You can also have it as it is. Yes, so this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly remember to share my videos to your friends, family, colleague, subscribe, comment, and tell me down below in the comment section what you want us to prepare next. Bye.